How you can make a video clip or footage fade in Capcut Mobile free tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Assuming we have a video clip, we want this to fade in. There's a couple different ways you can do so. Click and select your video clip as it's selected and highlighted. Down and scroll to the right. You see the option which says opacity. More towards the end, if you scroll right next to reverse and stabilize. Currently set to 100, but take this and drag to the left. Video clip or footage is turning dark, it's getting black. This all the way to the left, it's 0, click the check mark. Now notice it faded in, but it didn't really. If you want this to fade in, go to the part of the video, let's here, and click diamond icon right here. It's a keyframe, again click opacity. It should be set to 100. The beginning part of their video, now that it fades in completely for free in Capcut Mobile.